Today, we have a different type of video. We have an unboxing video. Today our bros are gonna show you one of the coolest inventions ever created. A portable badminton slash sports kit. And this is not sponsored. If any sponsors are looking for a great channel, don't forget to check us out. Let's get into it. We have no idea what's inside, but time to cut it up. Oh, I'm not a very good cutter. Up. Opened. Okay. Oh my god, this is kind of complex. But Barrett got it. Okay, this seems like to be the bars, the nets. Let's cut the bars open real quick. Oh, that's hard. Up, done. Now?
One more.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is hard. Just a second. Trying to bring the big guns. Oh no, that's what? Well, that was kind of easy. Time to assemble it. This was quite easier than we thought. But here we go, our own badminton net. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna get right into it. So, the reason we bought this was that we were in the middle of a store. And then we were just waiting to buy some sports equipment. When we see like a small little trailer about this, it opens up to a big net. And 2 years ago, I was trying to go to my school team, and I really loved badminton. And we thought, what better chance to play? And we bought this little beast. It's starting to rain, so we better play soon. Thank you for watching. I mean, we haven't played badminton for a long time. We got tired. It took a long time. But we had fun, didn't we, Beck?
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification for more quality content.
Bye!
Peace out.